All right, so as you come in, you can see I got stuff printing over there. I got train printing there. I got my finished bunkers. They've been processed. Over here is a really fun pile of things that need to be printed. So you could tell, like, all these supports need to be taken off. Check out the machine gun nest, at least the bottom. Still, all the supports need to be taken off of these. And that's what they look like when they're finished. They got all the supports off and they're ready to go. Then, of course, over here, we've got figures. We got our 2 Bambu Lab printers going. See if I can't remove these. And as you can see, I got some Germans, I believe, that are printing. Of course, the Americans are going. So those are going. Those are going. These need to be processed, then cured. Then I need to come over here and process all this stuff too. So it's gonna be a busy Saturday for me.